Hello, good morning. NSN ke kango laga party khanbra ke do yapto mege abduction gura laga mamla opode Nagaland laga DGB Robin Sharma bra press conference te janai dishe ke 7 June accused involved thakya laga 3 June do hole police khan logo te voluntary bra surrender gurishe gushe tala nam do ele luwido yapto wini ho ki ho aro hokiwi yapto goina chanishe tai gushi ki du do ele negotiation kura bichide hoishe gushe Robin Sharma bra aro janai dishe ke faction laga representative khan bra press conference dia homoy de ami khan janibole bara do hele abduction kura do hele senior members laga instruction thagishe goshe aro idu do hele tai khan bra tinai bi kuri tia nai goshe khata bra idu janai dia ase Western Sumi Huhu aro Western Sumi Hukami Huhu aro Western Sumi Youth Frondal khan bra NSN ke khan ge kedo yaptomi ge abduct kura aro assault kura laga mamla de 48 hours ultimatum dia de NSN ke party laga kelongza hukasiba press conference te janai dishe ki party laga side pra kimanda Sumi Frondal organizations khan ase tai khan ge manga laga kobor janashe itu laga incident de involve kura accused kan surrender noile arrest kuribo lage koina demand kura laga opor de tai janai dishe ki government khan bra inquiry rakhishe aro idola biche de victim bra police laga FIR de accused laga naam mention kura khan ge discharge kuri dishe koina janashe discharge order do hoile NSN ke laga ado khelong sir hukato wushe laga order thagishe kushe party laga secretary Hikoye Kiba aro joint secretary Wika Chopi ke party discipline pitch kura karne government bra active aro primary membership bra hatai dishe goshe tai khan ge government la property to hoile within 7 days majote submit kuri dibole laga janeshe organizations khan bra aro ekta demand kura do hoile WSKH aro WSYF aro KGKK khan bra 30 lakhs laga opor de tuida party majo de negotiation kurishe goigana idu kotha do hele wabas loilobi goigana demand gura laga opor de tai aro kushe ke idu do hele ekta mundo khobor thagise aro idu kotha do hele ekta misinterpretation hoise kushe tai bra to statement do wabas loabi janai dishe for demand de thiligode thaka laga ceasefire monetary cell do hele alak jaga de ship kuribi goigana kwa laga opor de group pra organizations kan ge request kurishe ge idu laga ultimatum do hele reconsider kuri dibi kushe tai bra kushe ge ceasefire advisory office teligode ponado hoile government of India logote kotha kurina verification aro puste laga no objection certificate paigena khola laga ase goshe idu office dusra jaga de ship kuribo karne do hele tikrar hobo goshe Kohima Court pra Friday din de judgment dia de janai dishige 2021 de Chasuma Busti de manu ekchun ge morai dia accused manu 39 sal muta ekta ke 4 years jail de rakhibole laga janai shegose aro dai ke 5000 fine manga laga janai dishe accused manu Raju Rao bra Ninaju Rajangsi ke morai dishe goyase oral aro medical aro documentary evidence laga hisab de accused manu Raju Raudo hoile Indian Penal Code section 304 part 2 laga hisab de kill di baishe koigana janai dishe National Highway Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited Canberra Corporate Social Responsibility Initiative laga under the Primary Healthcare Visit aro Wakchung under Mon District de tuida ambulance di shewa se Mon Deputy Commissioner Wanyai Konyak pra NHID cell kan ge Kushibala cover janashe aro Chief Medical Officer Mon ge ambulance toile handover gurishe goshe Deputy Commissioner bra concerned authorities kan ge kari toile pal bra Samal Guru Bole Lakabi, Janai Disha. Chura Jambu District Manipur de suspected cookie militants Kambra, Midi Chati Manu Chunge, Morai Dialaga, Mamla Opode, Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Palabra, Friday then de Janai Dishiki, Palbra investigation Gurubo Garne, murder case toile, National Investigation Agency NIA Kange, Hanovo Gurubule, Asegusha. Governor Bra, Idu Kobordo Hele, Joagari Friday then de Joint Actions Committee Kanbra, Tai Logo de Lokura time de Janai Disha. Governor Bra, Joint Actions Committee laga delegation de janai dishe ke accused manu kon responsible thagishe taikan ge thuribo karne state police aro central forces kan melaigen na taikan ge operation doile launch korea se goshe aro kanun laga hisab te thik pra saza do dibo koise manibo laga fast track special court pra minor bacha ekta ge gang rape kura laga mamla de accused tuijon ge 25 years jail de rakhibole laga janaise koise aro 50,000 fine impose kurise koise accused manu Dayananda aro Sakol Sem Sanahal taichun ke Indian Penal Code laga section 376D laga under de convict thagishe koise September 11 2021 de departmental laga store de chukri humai thaka moi de accused tuita bra sexually assault kurishe koina Imphal West Women Police Station de complaint file kurishe koi ase edo laga hisab de accused tuijon do hoile December 10 2021 bra arrest kurishe koise court kambra state government khan ge victim compensation act laga under de victim ge 8 lakh compensation dibole laga bi janaise West Tripura de overspeeding gari ekta bra 6 years old bacha ekta ke mari kena morai dishe hoi ase bacha la naam to ele Alanket Sarkar koina janishe police ba koise ke bacha to ele matha de bishi bia bra chokam kurishe koise hospital lui jaise hoile bi doctor bra murishe koina janai dishe ko ase Idia gari la driver do ele accident hoa bichi de polai jaise koise aro police khan bra taike thuribu karne kosis kuri ase koina janai dishe Itu la incident piche de manu kan kusa uthi gana gari do ele choi thali gana cholai dishe koise Ajila khobor iman de khatam kuri di ase chidi kumba manu nutun thakile morom bra subscribe kuri dibi like aro share bi kuri dibi gona janai di ase thank you